Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix too many codes sent. Enter the last code you received or try again later. So guys, if you're trying to access your Apple ID but you are facing this issue and you are unable to receive the codes or you are unable to log in your ID, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution is that you have to simply turn on flight mode for 30 seconds on your iPhone, and after this turn it off. So I simply turn on the flight mode for 30 seconds, and after this turn it off and check if you have received the verification code on your device again or not. So guys, if you still don't get the verification code for your Apple ID, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings on your device and then go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. And if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution. That is, you have to go to Sport app, and from here go to your device and then go to password and security, and then you have to simply reset Apple account password of your Apple ID from here. So guys, tap on get started and reset the password of your Apple ID using this link, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for 24 hours, and then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information from here as well. So guys, wait for 24 hours, and if you still don't get the code after 24 hours, then you have to simply go to Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.